Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're taking a look at Xapo Bank, found at https://www.xapobank.com. This platform has generated quite a bit of buzz, and I wanted to delve into its features and functionality to offer you my insights. Navigating to the Xapo Bank website, the first impression is one of sleek, modern design. The interface appears user-friendly and intuitive, suggesting a focus on accessibility. It will be interesting to see how this translates into the actual user experience. Before I delve deeper, it's crucial to remember that the world of online financial services is constantly evolving. Doing your own thorough research is always recommended before committing to any platform. My goal here is to provide you with a starting point for your own investigation into Xapo Bank. Exploring the website further, I'll be looking for key information regarding security measures, account types offered, and any associated fees. Transparency is a major factor when choosing a financial institution, so I'll be paying close attention to how readily available this information is. A preliminary scan suggests a focus on both individual and potentially business accounts, though further investigation will confirm this. One aspect I'm particularly interested in examining is the integration of traditional banking services with any cryptocurrency offerings. Xapo has a history with Bitcoin, so I'm curious to see how this legacy is reflected in their current banking model. As I continue my exploration of Xapo Bank, I'll be considering the overall value proposition it offers potential customers. Does it provide a compelling alternative to established banking institutions? What unique benefits, if any, does it bring to the table? These are some of the questions I'll be seeking answers to in this review. Remember, the financial landscape is complex, and due diligence is essential. While this video provides an overview of Xapo Bank based on my experience, it shouldn't be taken as financial advice. Always consult with a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Stay tuned as I delve deeper into the world of Xapo Bank.